ready to transform your real estate leads from a chaotic mess into a pipeline of engaged clients using the power of Flodesk and Real Geeks. First, log into your Real Geeks account and navigate to the admin section. Typically found on the left-hand sidebar, this is where the magic begins. Next, click on Integrations and then find API Access. This is where you'll generate the credentials needed to connect Real Geeks and Flodesk. Copy your API key, keep it safe, and don't share it. You'll need this to link the two platforms, treat it like a password. Now jump over to Flodesk, look for the Integrations area. Usually under Settings or My Account, it might be represented by a puzzle piece icon. Find the Real Geeks integration once found. Click to connect. Paste the API key you copied from Real Geeks into the required field. You might also need to enter your Real Geeks subdomain, which is the part of your Real Geeks website URL before Real Geeks.com. With the platforms connected, it's time to create visually stunning email templates. Use Flodesk's drag-and-drop editor to design emails that match your brand and resonate with your audience. Automate your lead nurturing with Flodesk's powerful workflow feature. Create sequences that trigger based on lead behavior in Real Geeks, like new lead registration or property viewings. Segment your audience based on information synced from Real Geeks. This allows you to send highly targeted emails, boosting engagement and conversion rates. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Flodesk with Real Geeks, ready to build lasting relationships and close more deals.